Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install, download and install ShadPS4 0.7 stable version. And I want to test this game Bloodborne using this emulator. As you can see, it's open span. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, download the program from the link on the description. After that, once it's done, this is my version, this is my program. Okay, after that, extract it using winner. Okay, fine. It's extracted. Successful. Can get right here. After that, we have to go here. Double click to open it. Once it's opened, you have to go here to configure. And let's just some settings. Okay, for this is fine. Okay. And for the graphic, set your CPU like this and set your quality. If you have 16 gigabytes of VRAM or more, you can adjust this for full HD. For me, it's 12 gigabytes of VRAM. I want to set on HD. If you have from HDR monitor, you can enable this one. If you haven't, have to disable this. Okay. Make sure it's Windows or full screen border. The user is okay, fine. For the input, fine. Path is choose as you want as a path and debug. Okay, enable this one. Enable this and this. Okay, after that, hit apply and save. Now, let's go to the next thing. I have to go here to settings and go here, game install directory. You choose folder one if you to add your game. Okay, let's create one folder on desktop right here. You game directory name G. Select this folder and hit OK. After that, just your controller like this. For me, it's fine. Adjust my controller. You can use PS4 controller, PS5, or you can choose Google Xbox One controller. Hit apply and save. After that, let's go here to install packages for the game. Choose your game. For me, I have Bloodborne. I want to install it. Hit open and go right here and choose your folder, this one, and hit OK. The extracting of the packages is begin. Okay. Now the game is successfully installed in this directory. Okay, as you can see, it showed right here. And the packages file extracting is here. Our game is here. After that, let's launch it. Bloodborne. Okay, so Sony computer on 3 minutes. The past. It's next. Hit next.
Oh, yeah.
Now you have to enter your name. Choose any name as you want. Hit OK. Choose your character, male or female. Choose your order and hit finish. Okay. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. This is the Bloodborne game. Okay, hit open to open this door. Okay, it works correctly. Thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial.